YouTube, this is Tara and welcome back to my channel. Okay, I'm back with another video, and this is the video that I was trying to record the other evening with ColourPop, but I had to I believe I had to delete that video because I don't see it posted. And the thing about that was I had a eyeshadow palette from my BoxyCharm box when I did my BoxyCharm video that I forgot to show you guys. Okay, so I went and got the palette and it says hello Charmers, and that's the name of the eyeshadow palette. And I may have deleted the video on accident, so I will be swatching some more eyeshadows for you guys. So let me show you what I got from ColourPop. Okay, this is ColourPop, and this is what I got from ColourPop. Okay, so I'm going to show you the products one by one. Okay, so right here you have this is an eyeshadow, and it's in the color Gridlock. I'm sorry, you guys. I know this is Gridlock. Okay, it's a beautiful teal, like a dark teal. Cause teal is nothing but mostly blue, but green. It's a bluish green. Okay, so and it's an individual shadow, and just the back of it. So I'm just gonna swatch this. I'm swatching it. Y'all can't see it. Okay. Okay. And look at that. Gridlock. I ain't buying no more shadows. In fact, I'm not buying any more makeup. Okay. Okay. That's Gridlock on my chest. See that? Can y'all see that? I might should put that on my arm. I was trying to put it somewhere where I wouldn't have to switch the and look, it don't even want to come off, you guys. I tried to put it somewhere, swatch it where I wouldn't have to do much to the phone. But I guess I'm have to put my phone back in my box. Okay, and swatch it again. Okay. This is a pressed powder. A, a pressed shadow. Yeah, I know I have to put my stuff back. And it's called Gridlock. Okay. Don't forget. Ooh, girl, come through. Gridlock, come through. Chad, if you was a drag queen, okay, or a makeup artist, girl, you have all the colors. This made me really want to go and buy some MAC just to see how MAC compares to all these others. Well, since people talk about MAC so much, and this is called Villains Just Your Voice. That's the name of this color, and it's a jelly um, shadow. Okay, and this is a blue green also, but more on the blue side, and this one is more on the teal green side. Okay, and this reminds me of Disney, which Color Pop is kind of, you know, and is it Ursula that takes the Little Mermaid's voice? See that? Okay, and his product on here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take a little bit from there. Okay, just your voice, and you know that's all she had to pay to walk on land. See that? And this more on the blue side, and this one more on the green side. One is a jelly. Just your voice is a jelly. This is a press powder. Okay, and these are glittery. It's glitterly obsessed by ColourPop. Okay, and the colors that you have in here. What's my little card? I never did put my little card back in here. It's a mini trio. It's a body glitter actually. A body glitter. How about now? Now what I'm gonna do with a body glitter, I don't know. I barely wear makeup. So this first one that I'm taking out, okay, is called Tripping on Skis. Tripping on Skis. Oh what? Tripping on Skis. Oh, look at that. Tripping on Skis. There it is. Okay. And so then I'm gonna take my finger. Oh Lord, with some of that green is still on there. I don't want to mix any of it. You know, look at that. Okay. Okay. And this is like a white. You all may not be able to see it because it's coming off of kind of blue, but it's white. It has blue. Okay. So I'm gonna dip my fingers in it, and it's a wet, and it's very iridescent. Okay. Look at that. Okay. This is nice. I don't know any place where I would wear this. So I probably went, I bought them because they was on sale. And then look, when you put it on your body, look what happens to it. It has like a goldish color. You see that? But it was white. It was white. And then this one is called Disco Lady. I know y'all can't see. Okay. This one is a white iridescent also. With the little shimmers in it. Okay. And I'm going to stick my fingers just right here in this corner. Get enough on it. Okay. But when I swipe it on my arm, you guys, as you can see, look what happens. Okay. It has more of a purplish. Now, how would you put these on the body? I don't know. It's cute, huh? Okay. Oh, I got too much of that. Okay. I really put too much of this one on my arm. And this one is called Starfire, which is very pretty. And let me show you. Gridlock, Just Your Voice. What was the name of this? Tripping on Skis, Disco Lady, and Starfire. In that order, starting from here to here. Ooh, that Starfire is very pretty. And so I have two lip colors here, and this is called Ringleader and Menageri. Okay, and it's a lip duo. Winger takes all, like winner. Okay, and these are two. And this is more like a mauve rose color. Okay. There. See that? Pretty. Okay. Just have a brush. That one had a sponge. And then this one, which is a manager, it's probably manager. It's more of a translucent, clear, pinkish color. And you see that? You can hardly see manager. And then Ringleader. So, I like Ringleader. It is so pretty. But I'm a darker skinned woman, so these colors shows up and performs differently on me than they would on other people. So this video is at 15 minutes, and I'm gonna see. Oh, excuse me, I'm touching the camera, you guys. I'm going to see if I can go ahead and swatch this Hello Charmers. I did it, but I had to delete the video because it was too much noise in the background. Okay, so let's go ahead without further ado. Okay, so we have Boxy from right to left. We have Boxy. We have Charmers, like Boxy Charmers, which is the name of the product. We have four Boxy Charmers, full size, exclusive, spoiler, and luxe. Okay, and again, you have 6 colors here, 6 colors here, so that's 12 colors. This is enough colors to last you a lifetime, dear heart. I'm telling you. So, this white is Boxy. Ooh, it's a nice cream. Charmers is this blue. Ooh, full size is this purple looking color. And exclusive is this bronze looking color. And spoiler, which is a cream, is this yellowish tannish looking color. Okay, so I have the first 5 colors on my fingers. Boxy, which is white. Okay, can you see that? Charmer, which is this blue color here.